Hey guys, this is Brain Nectar, and somebody asked me, how do you use cheats on the Nintendo DS games? And I will show you. It's not too hard, so you want to have your game or your ROM open, and then you'll want to make sure that your cheats are enabled. There you go, so you go to cheats, and mine says disabled because I already have cheats enabled. And then what you want to do is you want to go in there. You want to click on list, and it'll pop this up. See, I already have the cheats in here. They're enabled right now. Well, maybe it doesn't show on this save file right now, but they're in there. So this game has infinite time. There's also infinite health, max momentum. Then this is all abilities, which means he'll learn them. I already have known them. And then you can always unclick them, uncheckmark them, or you can always disable cheats. But yeah, guys, that's how I do it. Thank you.